Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for joining me. So, a little introduction for those of you who don't know me. I used to be a preschool teacher like ages ago. That's actually what I went to college for. And one of my favorite things to do with the kids was always to do a craft with them that was something that they could do themselves with very little help from the teacher. So I thought, since we're stuck at home right now, I could do a video on maybe showing you some crafts you could do with your little ones with some of the extra materials you might find around the house. Today's craft is going to be to make Mickey ears with stuff you have around the house. This will be very simple with very minimal parenting help. You need an old headband. Doesn't have to be black, can be any color you want. Glue stick. If you do not have a glue stick, you can use tape, you can use staples, although be careful with little fingers and staples. Markers. I have not been a preschool teacher in a few years, so I don't have any washable markers. We only have Sharpies. When I taught preschool, I tried to only use washable markers. So use what you have around your house. And if you guys have been to the grocery store lately, a good old Trader Joe's paper bag. So let's get started. Alright everyone, so the other thing I forgot to mention are scissors. If your preschooler is old enough, please, you can have them cut this out themselves. Like I said, I haven't taught preschool in a few years, so my preschool supplies are little, but for the sake of the video, you can get it out or you can have your little one cut out. So we're gonna start with our bag. This also is a great environmental activity. You're reusing all these products. I did this craft a few years ago when the Seco Science Center here in Rye, New Hampshire had an anniversary party. It was such a popular, fun activity. Because I knew I was going to be doing this activity for a lot of children, I prepped all the ears, got them made, and then let the children design them however they would like. So there we go. Paper bag cut. And we'll fold it as best we can. All the other stuff out. So then we're going to draw the ears the best we can. Let's see. So, my one sad little ear, but that's okay. Then to make sure both ears are symmetrical, the preschoolers definitely may need help with this. If you are better at drawing ears, then they could draw, you could draw the ears and they could cut them out. But, so then, we're going to cut voila, you have a little circle, and when I folded it, now we have two, they're about the same, which is excellent. So now you can let your little one color them however they want. If you have sparkles, if you have glitter, if you have beads, let them design their ears however they wish. I personally love Moana, so I'm going to try to do a little Moana. Let's see if I can find, let's see. Found a little picture online. So, Okay, not the best Maui and Maui's hook, but it will do. So what we're going to do then is very easily get them on your headband, kind of space them out. Oops. Glue stick. So there are your ears, glued or taped into place. All finished. So easy. You can do any design, any colors. It would be so fun for any age to do. See, so cute. They're not necessarily the ears you're going to wear walking around the park all day, but such a fun, easy craft for you to do with some simple things you could totally find around the house. Old headband, glue stick, tape, scissors, and then just a little creative juice. And if you don't have any Trader Joe's bags, then you can totally use paper. So newspaper, whatever, stuff around the house. If you have magazine clippings, so fun. So if you made these wonderful, magical, simple ears, please tag me on Instagram or Facebook. Travels with Genevieve. I will leave, it's all down below, and Facebook is Mickey Travels Genevieve. I want to see what you guys came up with. Would you do Moana ears? Would you do Ariel or Lilo and Stitch, Beauty and the Beast? Let me know. What would you do down below? Please don't mind the dog. The mailman is in the neighborhood. So please subscribe. Stay tuned for more easy crafts with fun stuff we can find around the house. We're going to be making environmental things, easy recyclable goods, and all Disney themed, of course, too. Thank you so much. See you guys next time.